The quest for Atlantis and the cities of gold. In a small, dusty village nestled in a forgotten corner of the world lived Arlen, a young man with little to his name, but boundless courage, and a mind sharp as a blade. He spent his days repairing fishing nets and scavenging the nearby hills for herbs to sell, always dreaming of a life beyond the confines of his village. One fateful day, a grand caravan arrived, led by a wealthy man named Lord Cassian. He was a scholar, adventurer, and collector of rare artifacts. Cassian sought a guide to traverse the treacherous jungles and seas in his search for the fabled city of Atlantis and the mythical cities of gold, rumored to be the sources of unimaginable riches. The villagers cowered at the thought of venturing into the unknown, but Arlen stepped forward. "I may not be rich, but I know these lands better than anyone. I will guide you," he said with quiet determination. Cassian, impressed by the young man's bravery, agreed. They set out together, their journey riddled with peril at every turn. The first puzzle, the Veil of Illusions. Their first challenge came deep in the jungle, where they discovered an ancient monolith covered in strange symbols. To proceed, they had to solve a puzzle. The monolith spoke. "To find the path you seek, align the stars that never meet." Arlen examined the carvings and realized it was a map of constellations. He carefully adjusted the movable stone pieces, aligning them to create a hidden pattern. The ground trembled, and a hidden passage revealed itself. Cassian clapped Arlen on the shoulder. "You have a clever mind. I would have been lost without you." The Sirens of the Abyss. After weeks of travel, they reached the ocean. A crew and a sturdy ship carried them into uncharted waters, but danger lurked beneath the waves. One moonlit night, hauntingly beautiful voices echoed across the sea. The crew began to steer the ship toward jagged rocks, entranced by the melody. Arlen, realizing they were under a siren's spell, tied himself to the mast and plugged his ears with wax. He fought his way to the ship's bell, ringing it loudly to break the crew's trance. The sirens screamed and vanished into the depths, leaving the ship and its crew shaken but alive. "You've saved us all," Cassian said, his gratitude evident. The guardians of the Golden City. Finally, they arrived at a hidden island where they believed the cities of gold lay. At the entrance, they encountered towering statues that suddenly sprang to life. Guardians of the ancient treasures. The guardians spoke in unison. "Only the pure of heart may enter. Show us your worth." Cassian offered gold and jewels, but the guardians remained unmoved. Arlen stepped forward and told them of his life, his struggles, and his dream of a better future for his village. His sincerity touched the guardians, and they stepped aside. "The riches you seek are not merely of gold," one guardian said, "but of wisdom and the knowledge to build a better world." The reward. Inside, they found a city made of glittering gold and crystals. More valuable than the wealth was the vast library of ancient knowledge that revealed lost technologies and philosophies. Cassian took notes to share this wisdom with the world, while Arlen chose a single golden artifact, a gift to uplift his village. When they returned home, Arlen was hailed as a hero. With Cassian's help, he used the riches to transform his village into a thriving community, proving that bravery and a pure heart can overcome any challenge. The legends of their journey spread far and wide, inspiring countless others to chase their dreams and face the unknown.